Here is a steel memorial, steel from the original towers. Okay, I'm further along out. I'm on a New York waterway pier. Just another angle of 1 and 4 World Trade Center. And pretty sure, sooner or later, we will get 2 and 3 standing with them. And fill that large gap. Of course, that's years off from now, but when it's done, it'll just look amazing. It already looks amazing, and it's not even done yet. And again, back to the thought of a 5 World Trade Center. My guess, if it's built, it will be a block away from 4 World Trade Center. Probably in front of that dark office building, and in front of that white one. Somewhere in there, if it's built. But again, I haven't heard anything on it. It's still at a standstill. Jersey City. another look at 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Having a bit of a focus issue here. Okay, I just got off the train again, and I'm now in Liberty State Park. I'm gonna move closer to bring you another look at 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Let's continue further out. Freedom Away, Freedom Tower. The edge of Liberty State Park. Here's another angle, different angle of 1 and 4 World Trade Center. At this angle, you can definitely see that different shape due to its unique design. Further back in Jersey City, the tower looked very straight. At this angle, the tower seems to have a real diagonal triangular shape. That's another thing that I like about this tower. It changes its shape as you move around it. Same thing goes for Tower 4. It has a really unique shape also. Just overall, just amazing buildings. And when 2 and 3 join it, it'll be even more spectacular than it already is. So again, this is everybody, that's all I have time for today, so I'm now about to end this quick look. Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you have any questions to ask me, I'll be more than happy to answer you. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this quick look update video. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy, and I'll see you late in the month for another full update. Thank you for watching.